guys, we're making a cheese quesadilla. What we need is tortillas, cheese, and your favorite sauce, or not sauce, but Chick-fil-A sauce, and something for a snack. I mean, well, to eat, like, yeah, I got this beef stick. So, I'm gonna get a plate. Alexa, play play Disney music.
The station, Disney Favorites, on Amazon Music.
Don't judge me, guys, okay? Alexa, skip. Alexa, skip. Alexa, skip. In a plate. Okay. First, you open the tortilla, put it on the plate, like so, and then put cheese. Alexa, skip. Put cheese. Eat some. Put cheese all around it.
It's adorable. Nice to see that humans meditate. Realize, let's begin. Yes, it's really me, it's Maui. Breathe it in.
I'm trying not to sing, guys.
The head, the bod. When you're staring at a demigod, what can I say except you're welcome? For the tides, the sun, the sky. Hey, it's a way, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demigod. Hey, what has become of
The side. And then put cheese all around it. I can't see it, so I'm just gonna cheese, and then put another tortilla, or flip it, but I do this, and then put it in the microwave, like so. Put this, that's the cover. Put it in. Get the cover on. Shut the door. Push start. And then, yeah. Whoa, okay. Meanwhile, put your stuff away, except for the Chick-fil-A sauce. So, yeah. I just had to say that part. Okay, guys. If it's not ready, then again, take this on right there, shut the door, and start. Alexa, what is the song called?
This is a wish worth making by Julia Michaels.
Alexa, skip. Alexa, skip. Okay. I'm gonna check it again. You guys can check it too. With me. It's ready, but I'm gonna. Okay, it's ready. So I'm gonna put this back and shut the door. And you need a knife, like so, and then you cut it. So happy okay, and then you cut it again. Cut it in fourths. If it's too big, then probably like, I don't know. But I'm doing it fourths. Probably 6, but I like a big quesadilla. So. What is wrong with me? Sorry. Guys, this video is 7 minutes. Guys, I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Quesadilla. Then I put it. Put it like that. Put it on one side of the plate. And then Chick-fil-A sauce. And then beef stick. Guys, this is 9 minutes and 3 seconds. Okay, bye.